I wanna fly. Let me fly. I wanna fly.
You don't even know how to fly.
I'll figure it out. What do you mean?
Alright.
Get in. Let's go.
Bro. What are you doing?
I'm.
Bro.
Okay, how do you do it? How do you do it? How did you go upwards?
I don't know. Hold A.
Master, we are not alone.
I'm holding A.
Jump.
Oh.
Jump. Jump. Bro.
New video shows.
Oh.
Wait, is it behind you?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What? What?
It's gonna be a hard landing, man.
Just get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
You're so stupid. Oh.
Oh. Hurry, hurry. Go to skills.
Level
the little
78.
thing. Level 70, bro. Bro, that's past what you need to be, bro. You could definitely make one of those things, dude. Bro is tripping.
I work hard for my stuff. You should. You just want stuff
Dude,
handed to you easily.
What?
Yeah.
Bro, dude, it's for the greater good.
Alright, come down, you fellow American.
Wait, what?
Yeah, bro, if you want to bring politics up, don't even try.
What are you talking about? I never said anything about politics. See where we are, bro.
Going home.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Damn, look, we're home
Positive?
already, bro. That shit was hella quick. Oh my god, we're out of fuel. Oh crap.
Well, playing who? What do you mean?
You did what could you land it?
Hold up. You gotta go as high as possible. Go up, bro.
I can't go up.
What do you mean? Click W or C or whatever it was.
Bro, that just made me slow.
Oh
Why
my
you told me to
god.
do that?
Are you happy? Oh my god.